Hello, welcome back to the channel, friends. Today I'm gonna show you how I clean my car every weekends. This is Honda City 2020 5th generation CVT petrol. Let's start. To clean the car from outside, we will require these things. We will require one dry cloth, one wet cloth, a newspaper for the mirrors and the glasses. We are gonna use 3M car wash shampoo for the car. We are gonna use 3M tire dresser to clean up my tires. And lastly, we are going to use premium liquid wax to polish the car. So these are the things we are gonna use for the exterior part of our car. We'll first start with the vacuum cleaner. We will vacuum the car from inside first and then we will wash the car from outside. So let's begin the vacuuming first. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate your valuable time. If you have liked this video, please give a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an update. If you have liked this video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions, please type down in the comment and I'll be happy to answer you. Thank you so much again for watching this video and have a great weekend.